Guys, what's going on? So check out what I just made. This right here is an Origami Ninja Star, and it's an awesome flicker. Check this out. Oh yeah. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this Ninja Star flicker, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of Kami. So, let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. And by the way, this is a variation of the propeller one, which I taught a couple weeks ago here. It's actually the exact same thing, it's just a Ninja Star, not a propeller. Okay, unfold, and fold in half this way. Alright, unfold, and now we're going to do a tricky step, so we're going to fold this up so that this is equal to that, and just eyeball it for now. And to check yourself, let's just fold this part over like this. And sometimes you get lucky, but you want the points right here to align like this. So I kind of got lucky there. So like if you, for example, if you fold it up too much and fold this over, see, the points won't align like that. So you just have to fiddle with the fold until they do. Or if you fold it up, if you fold it like this, and you know what I mean. Just find the exact point, and oops, looks like I got it. So once you're happy with it, pinch, just like that. Okay, now fold this point to your pinch mark. Okay, rotate like this, and fold this point to here. Okay, unfold, and now fold this point to the crease we just made. Alright, now, if you want to make the pinwheel, just fold it up like this and just leave it, and then repeat on the other sides. But to make the Ninja Star, this is what we're going to do. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to fold this point up in between this point and this point right here. That's all. Alright. And now do that on this side. So fold this point to the top. Alright, and fold this point to here. I'm going to go a little bit faster this time. And now fold to your crease. And fold this up in between those 2 points. Okay, like that. And now you can fold this up like this, and fold this up like this. Okay, and now let's undo those 2 sides. And now we're going to repeat all that in the opposite direction. So, this time, when we fold this up, we don't have to fiddle with the folds or anything. There's actually guide marks, so we're going to fold this up right in between these 2 points right here. And make sure that this point aligns with the middle line. Okay, and now do what we did before. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Okay, so once you got it, unfold the top part and just leave the left side like this. So leave the left side folded. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up right on this crease and fold this down. Rotate, fold up like this, and fold down. And now this last one, this is the hardest part. We're going to open up this side here, and we're going to fold right on this crease, and we're actually going to tuck this point inside. So fold like this, and we're going to stuff this paper down like that, just until we get to that crease, and then fold it down like that. So here we have the Tato right here, the Ninja Star Tato, and you can just leave it like that if you want. In fact, here's another one I made right here. This one I folded out of piece of paper I found. It was already a square, and yeah, and it has a face on the other side. But alright, so you can keep it as a Tato like this if you want, but if you want it to be a flicker, then here's what we're gonna do. So turn over, and we're gonna fold this up just a little bit like this. It doesn't matter how much, but just try and match what I'm doing. We're just closing these edges off, because it probably won't fly really well if it's open like that. Alright, and rotate and do the same thing all the way around, and just try and match what you did here. And I'll fast forward this part this time. Okay, and once you do that, just crease everything sharply so everything is flat. Like this. And then once you do that, here it is. And now, just to give it some elevation, let's just give it a little bit of curvature. Alright. And now to fly it, just hold it like this and flick like this. And alright, here goes. Alright, here goes. So you just hold it like this and flick it like that. Oh yeah. Ooh. Alright, one last time. Whoa. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Hope you enjoyed flying it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, bye bye.